With the Toyota app, customers can access a wide range of Toyota functionality with a single piece of software. And it's easy for owners to change account settings to fit their needs. If you need help downloading and setting up the app, make sure to watch the Toyota app overview video first. And now let's go over some key settings you can customize to make the Toyota app experience even better. Did you finally get that Toyota you've always wanted? It only takes a minute to add it to the Toyota app. Once you're signed in, tap the Add a Vehicle button on the home screen. Then enter or scan the VIN and tap Add Vehicle. And if you'd like to remove a selected vehicle, simply scroll to the bottom of the vehicle screen and tap Remove Vehicle. If you move to a new address or change your phone number, it's easy to update your personal information within the app. First, select the account icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap Account under your name in the middle of the screen. Then select the Personal Info tab. On this screen, you can tap on any text field to update that information. Then hit Save when you're finished. Want to update your vehicle alerts to let you know if you left your window open? Just tap Account and then select the Notification Settings tab. You can toggle the vehicle notification settings on and off as desired. Now let's say you need to review the terms of use for the Toyota app. Tap Account, then tap Data Privacy Portal. Here, you can tap on any consents or terms that you'd like to review. With the Toyota app and an active Remote Connect trial or subscription, others can access the vehicle without a physical key. Here's how to add a guest driver. Tap Remote and Sharing. Select Guest Drivers. Tap Share Remote and enter their email address on the next screen. Tap Add Driver to send the invitation. A driver can be removed by simply tapping Remove Driver. To assign guest drivers, simply tap Remote and Sharing. Tap Guest Drivers, select Valet or Guest, then tap Share Remote. You can also change your preferred servicing dealer within the app. First, tap Service Appointments on the dashboard. Then, tap on your current preferred dealer and tap Change Preferred Dealer. Select from the list of nearby dealerships or search for another. Once you've made your selection, tap Set as Preferred Dealer. Want to know which connected services, trials, or subscriptions are active for you? Tap Subscriptions on the vehicle screen. Here, you can review the connected services trial list and see all active subscriptions. Tap Cancel to end a current subscription. For new subscriptions, select the services you'd like, as well as the term. Just know that pricing will depend on the vehicle, and you can always check out Toyota.com for more info about pricing too. Tap Continue to Purchase. You'll need to agree to the data consents one more time before entering payment information. Did you know you can enable Face ID on the Toyota app for an extra layer of security? If you tap Account and then tap Security Settings, you'll see a Face ID setting, which can be toggled on or off. And you can also set a time limit before your device requires Face ID authentication. Own more than one Toyota? The latest version of the app enables you to easily switch between each vehicle. Simply tap and hold the Home button in the bottom navigation menu to access the vehicle switcher. And that's how to manage your account settings with the Toyota app.